Hi, this is Amy of Amy Nicole Floral, and today I am going to teach you how to make a European hand-tied bouquet in 2 minutes. So, the way I do it is that I start with fairly straight stems. I like things that don't have too much of a bend, tulips that are going to grow and move. I like very kind of sturdy things that are going to hold together. It's very simple to do. You start with your first stem, straight up and down. You take your second stem and you cross it over about 1/3 of the way down at a 45-degree angle. So we cross and we do a half turn. Simply going to lay the next stem over that top stem, do a half turn. In the beginning, this feels very awkward, feels kind of like this isn't working, but as long as you continue to lay your stem at the same point, so everything right here, where my thumbs are holding, that's really the mechanics of this, is keeping everything together, half turn. You can double up the same type of flowers, but in a future class that I'm going to be teaching online, I'm going to teach you how to choose a color palette that works well so that you can use this technique and it will work no matter what. The colors will be cohesive and it will be beautiful no matter what colors you're using. So I'm kind of just mixing in a variety of different foliages. I will put what I'm using down in the links if you have any interest on what these flowers and foliages are. But again, I'm crossing over to the left, always to the left at a 45-degree angle with a half turn. Again, I'm not overthinking the placement of my flowers. You can go in order from left to right, and that will give you a very symmetrical look. I'm going for something a little bit more asymmetrical in the colors. We have kind of a lime green, really fresh white palette. This gardenia foliage is gorgeous and it's just giving us a really nice kind of verdant look. Now, as I'm about to start finishing this bouquet here, you can see how quickly this is coming together. I can talk to you and I can keep designing. So once again, keeping everything at that same angle. You start moving your hand up and down, you're gonna lose that shape. So as I start placing these final placements around the edge, I'm just bringing them slightly lower so that the bouquet starts to sort of cave over a little bit. Almost done. How am I doing on time? I think we're about 2 minutes. You can easily chop this and put it in a vase, and you have a gorgeous symmetrical design that you can gift somebody. If you're making a really simple wedding or event, this is a great way to work because it's just really fast. Done. Now I'm going to take a piece of waterproof Oasis tape right where my finger was kind of holding all that together. I don't want to tape too high or too low. I don't want to mess with the shape that I've created. When you make a traditional European hand-style bouquet, you should end up with these gorgeous spiral stems. So you can take these, I love these big, sharp, ARS makes these amazing shears. These work great when you have to do a lot of chopping on a bouquet. I like to cut my stems pretty short, depending on the vase they go in. Watch your fingers. And the bouquet should stand on its own because of that spiral technique. And you could throw this very simply in a vase, or you could just wrap a ribbon on this, and how beautiful for a bride to walk down the aisle with this 2-minute bouquet. If this has been helpful to you, I would love it if you'd subscribe, if you'd share this video with your flower loving friends, and of course like it. Until next time, we'll see you soon.